हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू वर्षा कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे नेम ऑफ द मंथ्स। जनवरी, जनवरी मीन्स जनवरी, JANUARY। फेब्रुअरी मीन्स फरवरी, FEBRUARY। मार्च, मार्च मीन्स मार्च, MARCH। April, April means April, APRIL। May, May means May, MAY। June, June means June, JUNE। July, July means July, JULY। August, August means August, AUGUST। September means September, SEPTEMBER। October, October means October, OCTOBER। November means November, NOVEMBER। December means December, DECEMBER। Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.